Hey everyone, so I got my iPhone SE recently and I've definitely come a long way in upgrading from my old phone, which was the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. If you know me, I tend to want to get the most affordable phone that fits my basic needs. Now, not to say I wasn't an iPhone fan before, and not to say I don't like Androids or anything, but to each their own, and I like what each brand has to offer. Anyway, today I wanted to give you my review on this particular model as it is pretty badass for the price of under $400. You don't need to break the bank, and it has definitely provided me with great ease and functionality with checking emails, social media, and current news access, beautiful visuals and videos, and much more. The battery life lasts me a day and a half so far with light use and without any Wi-Fi. If I have Wi-Fi, it lasts longer for me. The audio is much clearer and louder in my perspective compared to the Samsung. For some reason, my old Samsung, if you look really close, the images are pixelated, though it still provides acceptable clear images. This iPhone uses the newest A13 processor, a blazing fast and low-power mobile chip of Apple's own design, and the operating system of the iPhone SE is the same iOS 13 that's found in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro models. I like how it fits nicely in my back pocket and it's not too small where I can still use my fingers to type. Security is flawless. You can use double security measures using your fingerprint or numerical code, and access is done through that one simple button. I also like that it's waterproof if I drop it in water for a few minutes without worrying about putting it in a bag of dry rice. Anyway, the only thing I don't like about this model is that you will need an audio jack adapter to plug in your earphones. However, if you already have your wireless earbuds via Bluetooth, you should be fine. Also be aware that it only comes with a cable charger, but it doesn't come with a plug. So it's a little inconvenient and frustrating that you would have to go and buy one in addition to your iPhone. But luckily, Amazon has cheaper, reliable ones, which I have provided in the description below. I hope this helps you decide if the iPhone SE is for you. Overall, despite some limitations, I am very satisfied with my purchase, and I hope you will be too. Thanks for watching.